Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Capricorn. Capricorn people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Capricorn people, in this reading, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Capricorn, this is your current energy, 8 of Pentacles and 6 of Cups. This is your partner's current energy. Alright. So with this card, 8 of Pentacles, it seems like, Capricorn, that you are being somebody who has kept yourself busy from a very long time. And plus you are somebody who is continuously working on something. Perhaps you want to achieve something. Perhaps you want to gain something in life. Perhaps you want to make a lot of money in life. Whatever it is, you are putting your hard work in this thing. You are being somebody who has no time to see what is happening around you, who is coming and going, around you, because I think that you want to achieve something, you want to gain something, you want to earn something in life. Alright. On the other hand, we have 6 of Cups. It seems like your person is, I think that your person is manifesting you. Your person is planning to meet you. Your person is looking for a reunion with you. Okay, it seems like you are being somebody who is busy from a very long time. Perhaps you might not have seen each other in recent past. So seems like your person is willing or wish or manifesting to meet you. They are seeing you, they are visualizing you and them with a reunion. So some kind of a reunion is happening for them. Perhaps they are planning to meet you. Alright. Now let's see, Capricorn, what do you think about them, what they think about you, what actions you are taking towards them, and what actions they can take towards you. Okay. What do you think about them? What they think about you, what actions you are going to take towards them, and what actions they are going to take towards you. So let's see what do you think about them. Okay, you see them as somebody who is a very happy-go-lucky kind of a person. You see them as somebody who always take life very lightly. Okay, they are not somebody who create a fuss about certain things in life. Okay, so as per you, they are somebody who is very happy-go-lucky kind of a person. Now let's see what they think about you. Fighting, oh God. So they see you as somebody who is a warrior. They see you as somebody who always fight for their own right. Or perhaps they see you as somebody that you can fight for this relationship. I think that you are here to earn something for your relationship. You are here to earn something big. You are fighting your own battle to save your relationship. Oh God, that's so nice. Now let's see what actions you are taking towards them. Abundance. Okay, so Capricorn people, you are someone who has great knowledge. You are someone who has lot of abundance. You are someone who has lot of love and emotion to give this person. Okay, you are somebody who is always ready to give. You are somebody who is a nurturer. So you genuinely wants to give them something. You genuinely wants to give them peace, harmony and abundance. That's why you are working really, really hard. Okay, now let's see what actions they can take towards you. Oh God, the Master. This person is in love with you, that is for sure, and this person is taking the corrective actions towards you. You need to be rest assured, because this person is not going to leave you at any cost. Even though you are working really hard on something, you are working on certain earnings in your life, but this person has your back. This person really adores you, really respects you, really loves you, and that's why they are here to support you in any manner. See, you are busy, but still they are planning a reunion with you. Oh God, this person truly loves you. Now let's see what is going to be the future potential for this reading. what I told you just now. Tell me, this person loves you. The Lover's card says the same thing. I think this is the best reading I have done right now. This is the best reading. You know, because I can see a lot of mutual commitment, mutual affection, mutual love, mutual emotion in this reading. It's not that you are working and you are avoiding them, and it's not that you are working and your partner is not doing anything for you. It is a mutual effort, it is a mutual connection, it is a mutual love. Soon you are going to reunite. Soon you are going to be together. This is a soulmate connection. Do not take it otherwise. Do not take your partner for granted if you are doing so. But I'm not saying that you are doing it, but still, if you are. Now let's see what angels wants to tell you. What angels wants to tell you. What is the message from angels to you? Helpful people. Yes, for sure. If you are determined to achieve something in life, be it your finances, be it your goal, be it your person, be it its relationship, be it the love of your life, you are certainly going to be helped by a lot of helpful people. You are not at all alone in this journey. Divine, universe, angels are equally working for you. Okay, so you need to be rest assured that whatever efforts you are putting in this relationship right now, these are all going to fulfill. Alright? Okay. So Capricorn, in this reading, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Gemini. We have water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio in this reading. Some of you could be dealing with another earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. And some of you could be dealing with air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Alright? So Capricorn people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.